Good morning, everyone. Hope you have all gone through my earlier video about the theme and introduction and characters of this chapter. Now we will start this chapter. This chapter I have divided into 5 main phases. First is Albert Einstein at school with his history teacher. Chapter opens in history class where Mr. Brown is asking Einstein a question related to dates. Einstein gives a frank reply that he doesn't remember the answer. The conversation between Einstein and his history teacher turns unpleasant when the teacher talks in a sarcastic manner about Einstein's theory of education. Teacher calls him a disgrace and punishes him. He has to stay back after the school. Though Einstein tells there is no use of learning the dates, and also there is no use to remember how many soldiers were dead in for which particular country. The main reason is the reason behind the fight shall be known, and this is important so that in future such kind of fights can be avoided. This was the theory of Einstein. When he returned to his lodging, he was in a very miserable condition due to many factors. First of all, the school environment. Secondly, the place where he lived in. That was not a good area, maybe a slum area where he was studying, he was staying. And there were disturbances in the house because of many reasons. Then Einstein tells about all this to Yuri. Yuri is a great friend. Everybody must think of a friend like Yuri. He helps him in all situations, wherever, howsoever he is able to, he helps him. He tells him about the atmosphere and the depression he is going on. He told that he is fed up with the slum violence. The lady used to beat up the children, and at the end of the week, the husband came and he beat up his wife. Einstein discussed about all this with his friend who lived in a shared room and tells that the lodging of Yuri is not at all a better one. Though he says that it is a bit better, like maybe there is no violence, but then Yuri told that last week itself, one of those mates killed another one, and the punishment he was given was he will not be able to have any bout in his future. But the problem was he didn't have any scar to show as a medal. So the condition with Yuri were more or less the same, but Yuri was senior to Einstein and he used to live with some elder students. Then Einstein and Elsa. Elsa is cousin of Einstein and she used to occasionally visit him, and he shared his problems with her also. Elsa thought that there is no reason that he cannot pass by remembering facts. Even a dumb student can do that. And that's why she says there is no need of remembering things or understanding things. You need to just write whatever is written in the books, and this is where it comes. The education policy followed that time, and it is somewhere similar to what we follow in India today. Maybe changes are coming up, and in future we may see drastic changes, but education policy is more or less the same. The innovativeness of the child is killed by education system and teacher both. They don't want to acknowledge the innovative style of the child. If he wants to do something new, then he is rebuked, he is called a rebel by schoolmates, by teachers, and maybe like it happened here by the headmaster. Then Einstein thought of a chance to get out of the place, and it was only through a medical certificate. He asked Yuri to arrange for a medical certificate for him. And Yuri said, though he doesn't know many of those, but definitely a fresher who has just passed out as a doctor, he will talk to him. And he thus sends him to Ernst Weil. He understands the problem of Einstein, and as Yuri, I told, is a very good friend, he elaborated everything about Einstein. He also told, don't try to fool him up by the lies, because you cannot tell a lie easily. You will be easily caught. So Ernst Weil gave the certificate and didn't even charge for the certificate. He only said, if you want to pay me, then just take Yuri for a treat. Though Einstein didn't have much money, but still he took him for a treat. And the certificate said that for 6 months he should be avoided to have those school studies so that he can be peaceful and recover. But Yuri, being a very good friend, suggested him that do take a recommendation from the maths teacher. Though Einstein also planned the same, then he said that he went to the maths teacher. Maths teacher, Mr. Koch, is a brilliant person. He also understands his students. He also understands that Einstein has already attained the level that he could have attained at this place. And that's what he gave in writing to him. That he has learned whatever I could have taught him. Probably in a near future he would be able to teach me. This recommendation he gave for Einstein, and that helped him in future. Last one is Einstein is ultimately expelled from the school. The complaints of Einstein went to the headmaster, head teacher, who without inquiring just talked to him and said that you are a disgrace to the school, you don't allow teachers to teach, you don't allow students to study. So it will be better that you go away from here. Einstein was quite happy after this, though that medical certificate was not useful because he didn't ask for any medical certificate. He ultimately expelled him. Before going, there was nobody over there. He wanted to have a talk, but definitely after meeting Yuri, he went away and then started his further studies. And rest all is history that everybody knows. We will discuss questions next time. Till then, go through this slide again and again, and you will be able to understand some of those questions. Till then, thanks and bye.